In this video, you are going to see how to add links, videos, etc. in the cards of a YouTube video. You have already seen this type in other videos. Even in this video, you can see it here. So let's start and I'll tell you what the uses of it are. First, open the YouTube Studio, then go to the Content tab. Next, select the video you want to add cards to. Do note that this option is not available for short form content. Also, you can add these cards during the uploading of your video. You can check the video on how to upload perfectly on YouTube that I uploaded previously for more information. After opening the video, scroll down and you will see the cards option on the right side. Here, I'm using an extension called vidIQ. That's why some extra options are showing. You can check the description box for more details on what tools I'm using currently to run multiple YouTube channels. And also, if you want to start a YouTube channel and don't know how to start, or if you have already started one but you're struggling to get monetized, then this is amazing news for you. I'm soon launching a one-on-one mentorship program and a course for others where you will learn everything about YouTube, like video editing, thumbnail designing, video uploading, scheduling, batch protection, and many more. Basically, it's a complete package for you. There are only limited slots are available. You can click the first link in the description box to enroll, but only if you are very serious and committed to it. If not, it's going to be a waste of time for both of us. Now, coming back to the topic, click on the cards option. A window will appear like this. Here, click on the plus card option and a list will be shown. You can choose video, playlist, channel or link. First, for the video, you can add your own or other channels videos as well. After selecting that, you can edit the text, teaser text and the timing. These are all self-explanatory. Once you go through the options, you will understand much better. Do note that only 5 cards are allowed per video, no matter how long your video was. Next is playlist. Here also, you can add any playlist on YouTube. The next option is channel. Here also, you can add any channel on YouTube. And the last option is links, which is very underrated, I would say. Here, you can add product links, your website links, or any other links. Basically, anything that has a URL. Also, you can edit the teaser text, custom text, and images as well. Once you are okay with that, click on save. That's it. Now, here comes the second question. What are the uses of it? Let's say you have a website and want traffic. You can get that with the help of these cards. I use the video and link cards a lot for my other channels as well. Since I'm running tech channels, I use the links option to add product links, which is very convenient for the viewer to click and directly enter the page. Like this, you can also adapt into your workflow. That's the video, guys. Don't forget to check the link for the one-on-one coaching program. The link is in the description box. You need to click the first link and enroll with your details properly. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.